When I first met you, I thought it was the end of the road.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Please! Oh! Please stop!
Talk to me!
Please stop! You're choking! You're choking! Please stop! Please! Please! It's only... Please Sorry. God. Mama. Oh God. Sorry, please. Wait, baby, wait.
Hey, honey.
Hi, Babu. How was your day?
Long day, long day.
Mm-hmm.
Feels like, you know.
Like what?
Like a sledgehammer just fell on me or something.
Okay.
But,
On such days, you have your lovely wife here to give you all of the sweet massages.
it feels so good, baby.
I know, right?
Come here.
Back home. But
Hey.
I thought you said a sledgehammer fell on you.
I thought we were having a cinema experience tonight.
Oh, in my experience, for a tired man.
I always have strength for you, baby.
Right.
No matter how tired I am.
Okay, come, let's go. So small.
I don't know why every time when we go out, you want to disgrace me in public. I don't like all these things.
Please, just calm down, please.
What do you mean of this?
Please, I'm sorry.
What do you mean of this?
I'm sorry. I didn't.
Next time, don't.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. It was a
I'm
mistake.
not going to slap you.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, please. Hi. Hi, baby. What are you doing? What's wrong?
Mom, why are you both always fighting?
I'm sorry. Listen, get up here. Open up. Look, we're going to leave here very soon, okay?
Where are we going to, Mom?
Somewhere else. We're not going to be here anymore.
So, I'm gonna start a new school.
Unfortunately, yes. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry that I have to put you through this. Come in. I'm sorry you have to keep seeing all that. I'm so sorry. Okay? You're not going to see that again. I promise. Okay? Come on, let's go in the house. Well, I know it's not like where we're coming from, but I'm sure you'll get used to it.
Hello.
Hi, Bernard.
I was expecting you guys yesterday.
Yeah, we should have come yesterday, but unfortunately the weather was crazy.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
true. That's true. Your daughter?
Yes, this is Zoe. Zoe, this is Mr. Bernard. He's the caretaker of the building.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon. Don't worry, you're going to love it here.
I hope so.
Oh.
You will, I promise you.
Let's go see the apartment, okay? Okay. Come on in. Well, home sweet home. So, what do you think?
It's better than I thought.
Okay.
I told you. You like it here.
When did you set up a place like this?
Well, actually, I didn't have to do too much because it's a fully serviced apartment. And Mr. Bernard helped me to sort out the rest of the things. Do you like it?
It's okay.
Alright. So let me show you around. Let me show you your room.
Yes, actually,
Alright.
this way.
So you guys go while I get your bag.
Thank you. Check here or here. Wait.
What do you want, Mom?
What I want right now is to put this picture on that wall.
Get a nail and a hammer there.
So, the nail is not the problem. I have nails, but there isn't a hammer. Okay, it looks like I'm going to bother Mr. Bernard again. You know what, sit tight. I'll be right back. Bernard? Bernard? What? Is he not around? What am I going to ask for a hammer now? Should I disturb these people now? Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon. I'm so sorry to bother you in case you were busy on the inside, but I just moved in here today, and
You're the new neighbor.
yes, I'm the new neighbor. I'm the new neighbor.
meet you. My name is Sarima, but you can call me Sari.
Sarima, I'm Leslie.
Okay, let's see. So, how can I help you?
Oh, yes, right. So I'm trying to hang up some things on the wall. Unfortunately, I just realized that I don't have a hammer. So I was wondering if maybe you could loan me one, if you do happen to have one.
Sure. 2 seconds.
Thank you so much. This is so hard.
I hope this will do.
Wow. Oh, this is actually perfect. Thank you so much. I'll make sure I return it as soon as I'm done with it.
Not a problem. So, I'm sure we'll have some time to catch up soon, yeah?
Absolutely. Sure. Thanks again. Okay.
Babe, guess what? I met our new neighbor today.
Neighbor?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What about that?
She seems friendly, but it's quite early to judge. She came to ask for Amma.
Is she?
Mm-hmm.
Married or single?
We didn't discuss to that extent. But from the look of things, I think she's single. Because I didn't see any wedding band on her. And she's around my age.
Oh.
Younger.
That's good. The main thing is just to have good neighbors anyway.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah.
Very, very important.
So how was your appointment today with the gynecologist?
Oh, it was okay. We fixed another appointment for next week.
Right.
Are you going to go with me next week?
Word.
Why? I know. Hi.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon, darling. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you, Mom.
Are you Leslie's daughter?
Yes, Mom.
Oh, it's so nice to meet you. Where's your mom?
My mom went to buy something.
Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Zoe.
Zoe. It's such a beautiful name. Come here. A beautiful name for a beautiful girl. My name is Mrs. Sarima, okay? So I'll quickly go in to fix some stuff, right? Are you sure being alone?
Yes, Mom.
You're sure you're okay being alone? All right. Catch you later, Zoe. Bye.
Mom, I met our neighbor today.
Which neighbor? Mr. Bernard came here.
No, not Mr. Bernard. The woman in the apartment on our right.
Oh, Mrs. Sarima.
I don't know, she didn't tell my name, but she seems like a nice woman.
Yeah, she's actually nice. You know, she was one that lent us the hammer when we moved here.
Does she have kids?
I don't know. I didn't ask her.
I'll ask her. I'd like to meet her kids. Maybe we can be friends.
Zoe, slow down, okay? Slow down. We just got here. I don't think you should ask her that kind of question. She might not like that.
I know how to ask her.
How?
I was wondering if I could meet her kids. It's only grown-ups in this compound, and it's so boring for me.
I'm so sorry. I don't have kids for now. But who says we can't be friends?
Really?
Of course. Listen, you're a very smart little girl and Auntie loves you so much. Besides, I'm always home.
You don't go to work?
Well, Auntie works, but from home.
My mom used to, but now she works some days from home, and some days she goes to her work.
Really? Okay, so are we friends now? Cheers to friendship? Duh! High five! Oh, okay, let's go in. So we're friends now.
Come on.
Leslie? Oh my goodness.
No, this cannot be real. Francis,
What are you doing here?
what am I doing? Here, what do you mean here? As in the town, I've lived here for 3 years and I just recently moved to a neighborhood close by here. What are you doing here?
You know, I never believed I was going to see you again.
Good. Let's make that thought possible. Because I don't want to remember what a huge mistake it was with you, Francis.
Let's see, you know me very well. You know it wasn't my fault, yeah?
Nearly 10 years later and you cannot even man up to take responsibility for your... You know what? I don't even want to see you right now or talk to you right now because I cannot handle the plethora of thoughts in my head. So goodbye.
Why do people you love always hurt you?
Where did you get that? And it's a little bit more than your age. Now, this is what you need to know. Sometimes, people do it without realizing it. And at other times, they do it with the best intentions.
I guess there's a lot I don't understand yet.
Absolutely. But you see, there is nothing wrong in asking questions when you don't understand something. You're right. Let me get the remote. Hey, sugar. How are you?
How are you?
Welcome. This is Zoe Olive, daughter.
Oh, hi young lady, how are you? Hope you're good? Okay, sweetheart, I'll be upstairs, okay?
Okay, I'll join you soon.
Yeah.
Zoe! Right about now, I need to go and fix something for my husband. Alright? See you.
You actually thought I would stand there to listen to him. I didn't even bother. I walked away instantly. Babe, shey you dey see am abi? I don't even understand how I keep meeting all these sons of Jezebel. God, I beg. I will, oh. Babe, I have to call you back, my madam just walked in. Yeah, she will hear. Okay, bye, babe. Auntie Esther said I should say hello to you.
I heard her.
Come on. So, how did you go with the neighbors?
Was fine. Had a conversation with Miss Sarma. Her husband came back. And I also had a conversation with him too. He seems cool too.
That's nice. I'm glad that you're making friends. Wait, do you still think this place is boring?
I still need friends my age. Miss Sarma is an adult.
Well, yeah, you have a point. But, you know, maybe you make some new friends at school. I'm looking forward to that for you. Yeah? Okay. Have you done your homework? Everything good? No? Yes? Yeah. Hi, Bernard.
What's up?
I'm good. Are you stepping out?
Yeah, I need to see a friend.
Okay, you've been coming and going quite a lot recently. Are we safe?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hustle, eh?
Yeah. How's Lady Z?
That's my little parrot. She's okay. She's okay.
She's just a smart girl.
I know.
Which is a good thing, you know.
I am very proud of her.
Yeah.
But you see that her choo-choo-choo? Stressing me out. You know what? Let me just hurry inside.
Okay.
Hopefully she has not burned something
Right.
down.
Take care.
Okay.
Hey, baby.
Hey, love. How are you?
doing?
Very well.
I see you working.
Very well. How was your day?
Good.
Welcome back home.
Okay. Yeah. What's the name of your neighbor again?
I can't remember exactly. But I know it's an Ogoni name.
Leslie?
Yes, listen. What is the matter?
No, I only saw her some days ago when she was looking for an apartment. And I knew she got this one.
Okay. That's fine. Welcome back home, baby.
When I first met you, I thought it was the end of the road. All my hopes were hiked so high.
Oh my
You broke
goodness.
my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road.
Yes. What's the name of our neighbor again?
I can't remember exactly. But I know it's an Ogoni name.
Leslie?
Yes, listen.
I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road. As the blankets of the night slowly veils the day. I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you.
Mr. Francis, good morning.
Hey! Zoe! Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Ah, I see you're ready for school.
I am. I'll probably be late today. I still don't know what my mom is doing inside.
Well, I guess she's just trying to make sure things are in order before she leaves.
Yeah, she does that every day.
Okay. Well, just...
Yeah, Zoe, I think we're ready to...
Mom, are you okay?
Yeah. Sweetheart, come here. 1 second. Can you do me a favor? Please just wait by the corridor. Let me talk to our good neighbor over here. Okay?
Okay.
All right. What are you doing here?
Are you asking someone that's lived here for 4 years?
Hey. So, you're the good neighbor my daughter keeps talking about.
Yeah. At least someone agrees that I'm good.
Oh, you're such an ass. God, how did I end up in the same compound as you?
I wasn't the one who house hunted her way to her ex's house.
You think I deliberately would look for an apartment anywhere close to you?
Really? Then ask for a refund. Pack your things and leave.
You have such a dry sense of humor. This cannot happen. This cannot happen. This cannot work. This is ridiculous.
Mom, can we join Mr. Francis already?
Just a minute, darling.
Can you hear that?
Your car. Never. I'd rather trek. Just 1 moment.
So what's the way forward, babe?
I don't know. I can't afford to move out of that place right now. I don't have the money for that. And if Zoe, she's become so fond of that family. Herself and his wife, they've become such good friends. Zoe goes to her house every single day.
Babe, you don't enter one chance be that though.
Hey, this is literally like jumping from a fan into fire.
Take solace knowing that you don't have to deal with emotional and physical abuse.
The bare minimum. Yeah, babe, at this point, I'm just tired of everything.
It's okay.
Tired.
It's okay.
Bro, you don't have a problem.
What do you mean?
She's your ex. That's it.
But what if my wife finds out she's my ex?
Bro, she's not gonna find out. And even if she does, it's gonna force that she relocated to the same compound.
Screw me.
Why is that?
I already told my wife that I knew her when she came looking for an apartment.
Guy, why would you do that?
And thinking about the whole thing, I just realized how stupid I was.
Bro, there's nobody you can convince that you didn't deliberately bring that woman to come stay next to you.
But that's the truth now.
You traded that truth when you lied at the first place. Come on now.
What do I do?
Avoid her and everything that has to do with her.
That's practically impossible right now.
Why is that?
She has a daughter that is fond of my wife.
One advice. Back. Go far. Back. Why would you do that?
Siu is back from school. Oh, I was good today, baby.
Hi, we didn't have much to do today.
Really? And what is that?
It's our revision week before our exams.
Oh, nice. So you're actually preparing for your exams?
Yes?
Oh, nice. Hey.
Hi. Hey, sweetheart, why don't you just go and, change and freshen up, okay?
Okay.
Alright, see you later. Okay, see you later.
Bye.
So, she was telling me about this game thing that you wanted to teach her.
Oh.
Hi.
Hello. Welcome.
Thank you. Oh, by the way, there's this game that she said you were going to teach her how to play.
You know, your daughter is very intelligent. So she said she wants to learn how to play PS4. And I submitted myself to teach her.
God bless you. Thank you so much. This guy has been on my neck about this. And seriously, I don't have the head for it all the time. So I'm really grateful to you.
I got your back. Don't worry.
Oh, by the way, when is your husband back from work?
It's usually between 5 and 6 p.m. on traffic, days that there's no traffic. But later than that. Why?
No reason. I just wanted to know exactly when to come and pick my little madam up so I can give you guys some
Nah. My husband Francis is very fond of your daughter. Trust me. They go along very well, so you don't have anything to worry about.
Well, that's very nice to hear.
Anytime.
Thank you very much. I'll see you later then.
Great. Welcome.
Okay.
All right.
Are you going to talk about what's bothering you?
Zoe reminds me of the baby we lost.
I feared this was going to happen when he became fond of her.
Babe, you know I want my own right.
The doctor said you need to rest after a miscarriage, okay? Hey, look. You're going to have your own baby. I don't want you to get worried about it. Okay? Let's go to bed. Okay. Let's see.
What do you want this time?
We need to talk and you know why.
What we need to do is avoid each other.
With Zoe and my wife's relationship, you know that's nearly impossible.
So, what do you want us to talk about?
I searched for you. I searched everywhere. But it just felt like you fell off the earth.
When you broke up with me, things just drastically changed real fast.
What happened?
I'm not about to sit here and explain myself to you. I moved on, and here we are.
How old is she? Zoe.
Zoe is 6 years old.
6? She's way smarter than an old child.
So, how long have you been married for?
5 years.
5 years. And any children?
We lost our first child at 2. And just 3 months ago, Sarah miscarried.
Shit. Oh my, I'm so sorry to hear that. I can just imagine what she's going through.
Having Zoe around us is the relief she needs.
Yeah, but then it will have her worrying when she's alone.
What happened to your marriage?
Same old. He left. And I tried another relationship after that, but it was just one sort of abuse after another, and I just couldn't have Zoe in that situation. So I struck out on my own. Which is why I'm not objecting to her friendship with your wife, because it's kind of good for her.
You know this is inevitable, and we have to leave that neighbors.
Look, Francis, I just don't want you around.
I'm not going to be around you, okay? But please, you just need to drop the attitude whenever we bump into each other.
Fine, but just please try to just stay in your lane and I'll stay in mine, because I love my peace.
And I love my family.
Good.
Hey, babe. It feels good to see you again.
Please,
You are looking so stunning.
And you're looking outstanding and splendid.
You can say that
So good to
again.
have you again, my darling.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Okay.
It's my pleasure,
Okay,
you know.
let's go.
It's been long. Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers. Mm. Mm. Wow. I'm so happy to see you again.
Same here. Welcome to my little house.
Thank you. You know, it looks like you've got everything figured out, Sarima.
Well, what can I say? You know, working from home is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Because it is flexible. So I have time to do other things.
That's good. You know, remote working is what is the new wave in town now.
Yes. No. You know, Nigerian firms and organizations are yet to buy into this idea because we still live backward.
Well, you won't blame them. You know, a lot of what is obtainable in other societies won't survive here. You know, expecting someone.
Yes, my little friend. Come in, Zoe. See who is back from school. My little girl. My angel is here.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you? It's so good to have you back. My neighbor's daughter.
Hello, cutie. How are you?
Fine. Good evening, ma.
Good evening, baby. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, come sit here. You just later, right? You have a lot of just for auntie, yeah?
She looks beautiful.
I know. She's such a cutie and she's very intelligent too.
Oh, wow.
So, don't worry, I still remember your favorite TV program.
Please do. Just spoil me, please do.
What would you like to have, though? Food? Fried rice.
When I first met you, I thought it was the end of the road. All my hopes.
You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't think
I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone
flashing
to
me at this
walk
time of
this
night?
cold and foggy road.
If it's important, they'll call back.
As the
If
blankets
I don't call
of
me
the
this night,
night slowly
flashing me
veils
at
the
this time of
day.
night.
I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
As the
You
blankets
make
of the
me
night slowly
happy
veils the day.
when skies are gray.
I give
Are
my
you
all
asleep?
just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening as well. Zoe, what have you done? Zoe? Zoe!
Yes, Mom.
Come out here. Tell me why I just got off the phone with your class teacher and she said that your dad called the school to complain about their method of teaching. Who did you get? Oh my God, Zoe, please tell me you did not ask Mr. Francis to call your school.
I only complained about how the teachers were teaching. He offered to help, so I let him.
Oh my God. Why would you do that? Why would you ask me first?
You would have only said I love to play, so I didn't bother.
Okay, that is so unfair. I mean, I wouldn't have said that. And besides, that's not the point. The point is, I'm the one paying your school fees. So if you have a problem in school, you tell me about it first. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom. Can I go back to the room? I want you something on my iPad.
Yeah, sure, go ahead. Zoe! It's cool, no problem. It's fine. Good morning, Francis.
Hey. Good morning. If this is about Zoe's school, I made a call.
You shouldn't have done that, Francis. You know that.
These schools, they need to understand that they are different kind of learners, okay? And they need to adjust their teaching method.
Look, I didn't come here to complain or fight. I just wanted to say thank you for standing up for her.
Zoe is a smart girl, and she's too smart to be ignored.
I know, that's right. It's fine. I'll definitely speak with the teacher again.
Yeah, you should.
Thanks again, and have a nice day. Bye.
Hey, Bernard.
Francis.
You know, it's awkward that I get to feel this way, but I haven't taken you out of my head ever since I saw you at the mall.
Now, who is it that's keeping in touch with his ex? Francis Acho. Really?
You know, I think it's better to be in this position. It's better I let what's in my head out than rather allow it to eat me from the inside.
You're married, Francis. Stay with your wife and focus on her. She's a beautiful and kind woman. She doesn't deserve a knife in her back.
I'm not trying to betray her, okay?
You're not trying to betray your wife, but the truth is, you are actually indirectly doing that right now because you want to ask me to come back into your life.
It's complicated, I know.
No, it's not complicated, Francis. It's not. You're a married man now. Whatever it is that we had, it ended 8 years ago when you walked away. So please, keep moving forward. Don't look back now. You know what? I'm taking this. You already paid for it. No point wasting a good bottle of wine.
When I first met you, I thought it was the end of the road. All my hopes were hiked so high. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road, as the blankets of the night slowly veils the day. I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did.
Esther, also, we have to see.
What are you saying?
Babe, I thought I was completely done with that guy. But when I saw him again, it felt like all the emotions just kept rushing back. It was a mixture of love and hate. I don't even know. Would I call it love? I don't know.
So what are you going to do?
I don't know. I can't avoid him without hurting Zoe. And I cannot do anything to hurt Zoe.
He's married, babe.
I know, Esther, I know. And the thing that makes it even weirder and just scares me is just how lovely his wife has been. She's been nothing but gracious to myself and Zoe. I'm so confused.
I think you should consider taking a break from that compound. Just block him on all platforms.
don't know where to go, and I don't even think I can afford it right now. Besides, Zoe is still in school. Her holiday is like literally 2 months away. So I have to deal with him for this amount of time.
Babe, you have a decision to make.
This, you know, the thing that worries me right now is that no choice I make will feel like the right one. Somebody's going to get hurt no matter what I decide to do.
Then you should hurt the right person.
Babe, you don't understand. I don't even know if there's a wrong or right person in this situation right now.
A married man gunning for a single mother is definitely the right person to hurt. You should think about it.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yep.
You know, you have to be very, very careful with how you get attached to this young girl, Zoe.
Never to worry.
No doubt her mother is a single mother, but you have a husband.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency.
Advice, no because.
Never to worry. Look, Francis, my husband, is a very good guy. He only just helps to drop the girl off in school, and that's all.
You have to be very careful and watchful.
Yes, ma'am.
Not to you.
Thank you so much, darling. Hope I get to see you soon.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Chill, man. She will never stop advising every little opportunity she gets. Okay.
Why are you doing this? Have you considered everyone that's gonna get hurt if we're discovered?
I know it's a difficult thing to ask. I mean, it's terrible, but I can help it.
You can, you know. You just don't want to.
Why do you sound like you don't want this as well?
You really want to know the truth? Francis, you were my first real love. Like, do you even understand what that means? I never got over you. I just masked that pain with hatred for you, but right now you are making it so difficult for me.
Why are you fighting it?
And your wife, what happens if she discovers?
I don't worry about my marriage. Just give me a chance to make things right.
Francis, things can never be right between us. Even if I let you back into my life, it'll just be another wrong turn.
Then we'll make a right turn this time.
I really want to hate you, you know? I really do, but I can't. I hate how much you're in my head and I cannot get you out.
Then keep me there. Then keep me there. Keep me there. Let me walk straight back into your heart again.
Just drive.
Hiked so high. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road. As the blankets of the night slowly veils the day. I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road. As the blanket of the night slowly veils the day. I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road. As the blankets of the night slowly veils the day. I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road. As the blankets of the night slowly veils the day. I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did. I hope you find who will love you like I did. I hope you find who will love you like I did. I hope you find who will love you like I did. I hope you find who will love you like
Good night.
You ready for the picnic?
Yes, yes.
Oh, here comes your friend.
Slow down.
Yeah. Here we are.
How are you?
Well,
Okay.
looks like you are set for this picnic. Okay, so situation, right?
Can say that again.
Young lady, be a good girl out there, okay?
I will, Mom.
Thank you again for everything.
Nah, it's nothing.
So, you two, are you in this picnic situation as well?
I'm just gonna drop them and come back.
Okay. Well, you guys have fun, enjoy yourself.
Okay.
Yes. Have a lot of fun.
So sorry. You know, there's something about this kid that makes just want to love her.
Finally, I'm glad you've seen why I'm so drawn to my little girl.
Auntie Chama, you married.
So wait.
No, sweetheart. I'm not married.
It's okay, my mom is also not married.
Oh my god.
Oh God. Zoe. Five. Ah.
Oh my god.
When I first met you, I thought it was the end of the road. All my hopes were hiked so high. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road, as the blankets of the night slowly veils the day. I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did.
You know, doing this at home is a little risky, right?
When they get done, they're gonna call me. So you have nothing to worry about.
You sure?
As the blanket of the night slowly veils the day, I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you like I did.
Hi. Welcome back, guys. Hello.
Oh, we had so much fun today.
Really? Tell me about it.
I will tell you everything when we get inside.
Okay. Nice. Thank you again so much for everything.
I also had so much fun, Zoe. Thank you so much for coming too.
Can you say thank you, Auntie Sari?
Thank you, Auntie Sarma.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good night. And okay, come on, we gotta go. Good night. So you had fun, huh? What exactly did you people do? Can you tell me about that?
Babe,
Honey?
you usually don't stay late on the phone. It's becoming so much of late.
This happens once in a while, baby.
Once in a while.
You have absolutely nothing to worry about. Huh? Okay. Oh, here. Oh.
My teacher said I should always forgive and forget, but I think she's wrong.
Why?
Because you can't forget something bad that someone does to you. Just choose not to feel the pain again.
Zoe, how are you 6?
I'm not 6, I'm 8.
8. Sorry. Continue your assignment, okay? I'll be right back. You've been lying to me! You've been lying to me this whole time!
What are you even talking about?
What am I talking about? You told me Zoe was 6 years old, whereas she's 8. Her birth month shows she was conceived when we're still together.
So, is this going somewhere, Francis?
You cheated on me with your ex? Really? And here I was torturing myself because I left. But I was right. You were cheating.
Can you hear yourself? I was cheating on you. Did I really cheat on you? Or your insecurities were feeding your misdeeds?
Don't you ever talk about insecurities here. You were the one that was never contented with what I offered you. Now see where it has led us to. See where it has led us to. So if I hadn't left, you would have pinned her on me.
And why would I need to pin your own daughter on you?
What are you talking about?
You're an intelligent man, and she gets that from you. But I'm actually shocked it's taking you this long to figure it out. She's yours, Francis.
He stepped out. He said he will be right back. He didn't look happy though.
And why is that?
He only asked me a few questions which I answered.
What kind of questions did he ask you?
I've had a daughter all these years, and you didn't tell me.
You left! Okay? You left me when I needed you the most. And for what? Because you thought I was talking to my ex?
Were you not talking to your ex? No, tell me, were you not talking to your ex?
Oh, wait. Did you forget that this same ex was a family friend of mine before we even started dating, and he came around visiting with his parents? I had to prepare food for him and take care of him just as before.
Oh, I wonder what you even fed him with.
Oh yes, I fed him and his parents too. I spread my legs wide open and I fed him from my honey pot, and as he was making me drip, his father was giving it to me from behind. And his mother, wow, she was like on me, like bees to flower, sucking on my breasts. Is that what you want to hear from me? Please.
I have a daughter?
Excuse me, please. Point of correction. She's the product of your semen. That's it. You've never been a father to her. You never will be. You know what? From here on out, I don't even want you to be anywhere near her at all. Or even me. Please leave my house. Please, can you just go? Just go, please. Just... Hold it together.
Yes, Black. Where are you? Hey, what's up?
I should be.
Nah.
Just went so high.
And how did they preach? They are preaching.
So once she comes, do that one.
What is going on between you and Leslie? What exactly is going on? The other day I saw you looking at her lustfully. Really? Before now, let me remind you. You leave this house as early as 7 o'clock. But immediately you started dropping that little girl off in school. You don't even mind leaving this house late. Is there something that I need to know?
Sarima, what is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me?
Do you realize that I don't have strength for this?
You will have the strength, oh Francis. You will have the strength. Wait.
Zoe. Baby, what's wrong? Come. Why are you crying? What happened? Zoe, talk to mommy. What happened?
Well, Mommy, do you love Uncle Francis?
Please, can I speak with Francis?
Know what you have going on with my husband. But I want you to know that I will find out and every single details. Now listen, for the last time, stay clear away from my family. Do you understand?
Sarima, please, we can talk this out.
Stop. How can you let this get to this point?
If I didn't do what I did, how would I have known I had a daughter?
Bro, the end justifies the means does not apply here. You messed up big time. You messed up big time. That's a fact.
Naija, I need a way out of this and not some blame games.
Need I remind you, you are legally married to Sarima and not Leslie. You can be a good father to Zoe and also a good husband to your wife. Come on, man.
Well, that door is closed right now.
I guess you already know what you wanted.
Where are you? Okay. What's up? You called?
Yeah, I did. I should be minding my business, but you're like the coolest lady I ever met.
Okay. Where is this coming from? Tell me what I need to know.
Not enough to say that there is anything going on between them, but they've been spending a lot of time together, even when you're not around.
Bernard, it's fine. Thank you so much. That's all I need to know. Alright?
Just be careful.
No problem. Thank you.
Hey. Okay, you want to know the truth?
Don't worry, I already know.
What?
Don't worry, I already know.
What are you talking about? What do you know?
Mom, I read your chat. You've been spending so much time with Uncle Francis. No wonder you don't have much time for me lately.
Okay, first of all, that is so not true. And second, Zoe, how many times have I told you not to read my messages?
I'm sorry, Mom.
How do you even unlock my phone? Wait, babe, please. It's not how you're seeing it. It's not how you think it is, okay? And besides, I was doing it for you, sweetheart.
Did what for me?
Allow me to explain myself, madam. Hey, I gave birth to an ancestor. Zoe now, Zoe. Please now. Zozo.
So wait. My angel, what is the problem? Why are you crying?
My mom and Uncle Francis are in a relationship.
Where did he get that from?
I read the chat through my mom's phone. I asked her. She never denied it.
Oh my God.
We need to make them stop. They're hurting you.
I know. Listen, baby. You are going to tell me sincerely everything you read on your mom's chat, okay? And you know we have to try everything to make them stop, right? Thank you so much for caring for Auntie Sarima. Come here. This is how you chose to repay me after everything I did for you, Leslie?
Sorry, ma'am. What are you talking
Oh, please don't stand there and act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Leslie, So you took my kindness for granted by sleeping around with my husband? Really?
Sorry, Mom. I swear, I never intended for this to happen. I am so sorry that it has
You are sorry? Sorry for me? No, you're not. You have no iota of shame or respect for yourself whatsoever. Wait, is this your idea of women supporting women? By helping me satisfy my husband in bed? Leslie, after everything I did for you?
Honestly, Sarima, I never intended for this to play out like this. And I know that you have questions. But your husband is the person you should be directing those questions to.
Zoe, come here. What did you do?
I told you to stop seeing him, but you wouldn't. So I told her to make you stop.
Do you know what you've just done?
Mom, it's not my fault. You've always told me it is wrong to hang out with another person's husband.
Fine. He might not be my husband, but Uncle Francis is your biological father, okay? Yes.
No.
Look, I can explain. Zoe, listen, Zoe!
Why are you start with Francis? Is this no longer your house?
Wait, what?
Why have you chosen to sleep around with our neighbor? Why? Or you think I wouldn't find out? I did. Every single thing, Francis, I found out. Don't you baby me. I saw everything. Your late night text messages, coming back home late, and forming the good neighbor just because you were digging a hole. Right?
Look, babe, I'm not ready for this conversation.
Of course you will not be ready. You don't have the energy for it because you have just finished how many rounds? 3? 4? Does she mourn gently? Or she's a screamer? How is it down there? Does she gush like a loose tap, or it is slimy or creamy? You dare not run out on me, Francis! Not tonight!
Fine! You want to talk? Leslie is my ex-girlfriend, and Zoe is my daughter.
Now that you have confirmed your fears, what would you do?
I have not decided yet.
People like you are most vengeful, especially when they are heartbroken. I really fear for you, Sarima.
Chioma, what would you have me do? My husband, my own husband, is sleeping with my neighbor. What? Look, right now, I'm just trying to wrap my head around, trying to think of what to do next. I'm trying to wrap my head around a decision. But
we kill because of the shame, bury because of the smell. Don't do what will hurt everyone else, including you.
Sarima, I am so sorry about everything. I am sorry.
Jaja, Francis is your friend. Are you going to tell us you didn't know all this while?
He told me And I cautioned him against doing anything that will hurt his marriage. I guess my advice fell on deaf ears.
As usual.
Where is he?
He already left.
I need to speak with the lady and her daughter.
Go next.
Look, I came because I don't want this to get any uglier than it is already.
I genuinely never wanted any of this to happen. I was fine on my own.
I understand that you want a father figure for your daughter. I don't blame you. I don't blame you for also wanting to pick up from where you left off with someone you once loved, or perhaps still love. But my concern is, there are people getting hurt, and still will get hurt. There is no winner here. If he eventually marries you and chases out his wife, you still do not win.
No, I admit that I love Francis. I do. But I don't want him at the expense of another woman's happiness.
Oh well, that's a little too late now. Because I doubt his marriage will heal from this.
So what am I supposed to do?
Not entirely your decision to make. He needs to say something. He needs to decide. Your daughter needs to decide.
Zoe, no. Zoe is way too young to be embroiled in all of this.
Oh well, if she is the girl I heard about, she's knowledgeable enough to have a say in this.
Yeah, I think I agree with him.
Are you my father?
Yes, I am.
Then why did you abandon mommy and I?
Look, I never knew your mom was pregnant when I left.
You can leave now, the way you left before.
I'm sorry, baby girl.
I'm not your baby girl.
So, baby girl, that's your father, your daddy. He loves you, you know that. You can't hide from it. You know that, okay?
I don't have a father. He already left and you all saw it.
Babe, please now. Babe, please. Babe, you can't just possibly leave now, okay? Okay, you can't just leave the marriage like that now, please.
Francis, you have made your decisions, and I respect them. I have also made mine. So please, let me be.
Babe. Please,
Do not try to stop me again. I don't want either of us to get hurt or anyone else. Let me be for the last time.
Sarima, please.
Bro.
Listen, Auntie loves you so much, okay? I'll miss you. Remember you have my contact, yeah? So you can reach me anytime you want. Alright? Promise me be a good girl. Yeah?
When I met you, I thought it was the end of the road. Oh, my hopes were hiked so high. You broke my heart, but I ain't gonna let the heart stay long. I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road. As the blankets of the night slowly veils the day. I gave my all just so you could always wear a smile.
She will come around. She will.
Judge, I've lost everything. I allowed my past creep into my marriage and has ravaged everything.
There's always a price to pay for recklessness. Some might cost you less, and some might cost you an arm or a leg.
I don't regret ever calling you mine. I'm left alone to walk this cold and foggy road. As the blankets of the night slowly veils the day. I give my all just so you could always wear a smile. I hope you find who will love you